Katara Cultural Village, Doha Qatar. There are many amazing art installations in the village. Force of Nature 2, by Italian sculptor Lorenzo Quinn. The sculpture is made of iron, steel, and bronze. Gandhi's Three Monkeys. The installation is a series of 3 sculptures created by Indian sculptor, Subodh Gupta. The sculptures are made of bronze, steel, and used utensils. The headgear worn by the 3 men in the installation symbolize the saying, "See, hear, and speak no evil." It is a reminder of Mahatma Gandhi's vision. The largest key in the world, a Guinness World Record. The key is 100 times bigger than the original. 7.76 meters in length and 2.8 meters in width.